Bana, Nabread here at the, what are they called? The Ottawa Valley Flying Club. Check it out. They're flying the planes. This is what I want to do. Wednesday nights, free flying lessons and free planes. Check it out. Isn't that cool? I love it. I love it. These are the electric ones. I like the gas ones. The gas ones make way more noise. Like real planes. But that's pretty good. That's a Spitfire. And then this guy's coming in to land. Looks like. Oh, he's going to do a fake landing. Oh, no, he is landing. Huh. Cool. There's the Spitfire doing loops. That's cool. Hey, Will, don't you want to do that? Fly Spitfire, man? Here he comes. See, they should be way noisier. Anyway, there you go. Bana, Nabread here. Checking out the remote control planes for Banana Vision.